A very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to know the nest of birds. A bird home is called a nest. Birds make their nest on trees, bushes, on the ground and roofs of houses. They use these nests to lay eggs. They keep their young ones warm and safe in the nest. To make their nest, they use materials like cotton, twigs, dry sticks, grass, leaves and mud. Nest of a sparrow or a pigeon. A sparrow or a pigeon makes its nest in houses or branches of trees. It uses dry grass, sticks, leaves and straw to make its nest. The nest looks like a soup bowl. Nest of a tailor bird. A tailor bird uses its beak as a needle and sews two leaves together to make its nest. It uses fibers to sew the leaves. It sews the leaves perfectly like a tailor does. Hence, it is called a tailor bird. Nest of a weaver bird. A weaver bird makes its nest on the branch of a tree. It weaves its nest with dry grass like a perfect weaver. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree and does not fall off. At the bottom, there is an opening through which a bird enters into the nest. Sometimes the bird makes compartments inside the nest. Nest of an eagle or a vulture. An eagle or a vulture makes its nest on an uppermost branch of a tree. It uses dry sticks to make its nest. An eagle's nest look like a bowl. Nest of a woodpecker. A woodpecker makes its nest in a tree trunk. It pecks a big hole in the tree trunk with its beak. To make a nest cozy, it puts some pieces of wood inside its nest. A nest of a plover bird. A plover bird makes its nest on the ground. It selects a small hole dug on the ground. Then it makes the nest with straw, hay and sticks and lays its eggs. The shell color of these eggs are like the colors of stones and rocks. The nest of a penguin. The penguin also makes their nest on the ground. It makes miles away from the ocean to make its nest and lay eggs. It uses some pebbles and stones to make its nest on the ground. The penguin holds the eggs on its legs to keep it off the cold ground. Now parent baby take care of their babies. Birds lay eggs in warm cozy nest. The mother bird sits on the eggs to give them warmth. After a few days, the small babies develop fully inside the egg and come out. This is called hatching. Both mother and father birds take care of their chicks and feed them. They protect them from cold, heat and rain. Once the babies grow up, can fly and eat on their own, birds leave their nest. Thank you.